To get a Stripe Express account, start by understanding what Stripe Express is. Stripe Express is a simplified version of Stripe's payment processing system that allows you to receive payments quickly and easily. First, go to the Stripe website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information about yourself and your business, including your name, email address, and business name. Next, verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Stripe. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the owner of the email address. After verifying your email address, you will be asked to provide more information about your business, including the type of business you have and the products or services you sell. This information is used to set up your Stripe Express account and to comply with regulatory requirements. Once you have provided the required information, you will be able to set up your Stripe Express account and start receiving payments. You will need to link a bank account to your Stripe Express account in order to receive payouts. To link a bank account, go to the Payouts section of your Stripe Express account and click on the Link Bank Account button. You will be asked to provide your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. After linking your bank account, you will be able to receive payouts from Stripe. You can also use your Stripe Express account to send invoices to customers and to track your payments and payouts. It is essential to note that Stripe Express accounts are subject to certain limitations and requirements, including verification and compliance requirements. You should review the Stripe Terms of Service and ensure that you comply with all applicable laws and regulations. By following these steps, you can get a Stripe Express account and start receiving payments quickly and easily. Remember to always follow best practices and to comply with all applicable laws and regulations when using your Stripe Express account.